if you're a soft life woman and you've been searching on the internet, you've been searching on YouTube for how to make money online, how to make money from home, side hustle ideas for women, and all of the videos that you've been watching have been telling you to start an online business, launch a podcast, do something that's very time consuming and that would take you away from maybe your full-time job or from your children or from your marriage, and you just want to do something online in the digital economy that is not super time consuming and doesn't require you to break your back, then this video is for you. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Vanessa, and on this channel, I help women create wealth on their own terms by making money online and leveraging the digital economy. And today's video is no different. In today's video, I'm going to share not one, not two, not even five, but 15 ways that you can make money online without launching a business, without becoming an influencer, without setting up a YouTube channel or a podcast or anything like that. And for most of these, if not all of them, you don't even need to put your face out there. You don't have to have followers, and they can all be done from home. Now, I've told my team to be very thorough about this research because I only want to share things that are realistic, credible, and possible for you to do. So nothing on here promises that you will be a millionaire overnight because that's not what we're doing. However, all of these have been researched. They're real opportunities that actually exist that can help you get to the bags. And while all 15 of them are solid, number 15 itself is the highest paying one, but not all women will be able to do number 15. So if you believe you're one of the women who can actually pull off number 15, you're probably going to be able to get to the biggest bag if you're able to pull that one off. However, if you're not able to pull number 15 off, I have 14 others here for you. So to get the most value out of this video, make sure you watch it all the way to the very end. Number one. Number one is one that really surprised me when I found out about it about 2 years ago. And I shared it on the channel once when I found out about it. But I think it's worth mentioning, especially because someone I know personally brought this one to my attention. She works in tech sales and she was able to match her 1 month salary by doing this. And I said, oh, that is true. I need to tell my audience about it. And I also need to share new platforms where this can be done. So number one is something called domain investing or domain flipping. Now, I share a lot of ideas on this channel. I share business ideas, side hustle ideas, income stream ideas, and you might have ideas of your own. You might have business ideas that you've been meaning to launch for a while, but you just haven't launched it yet. But you know the exact name you want to use. You have a notebook full of names of businesses, but you haven't launched any one of them yet. Okay, do you realize that you can actually monetize those names? You can actually monetize your ideas. And if you're thinking, how, Vanessa, how can I monetize this long list of names that I just have because your brain just keeps popping up with new ideas every day? I've got you. There's something called domain investing. So basically what you do is purchase the domain name the way everyone else purchases a domain name. There's so many platforms to purchase a domain name from. There's GoDaddy, there's Squarespace domains. You can purchase your domain from anywhere. However, there's some platforms that specifically exist to allow you purchase your domain for a specific price and sell it for a higher price. For example, most domain names can be purchased for about $12, $15, but there are actually some domain names that are up for sale for $10,000, $30,000 because people have been able to find words that are very popular and then they've bought domain names within those popular niches and they have put those domain names up for sale for higher prices. So the realistic, not guaranteed, but realistic way to generate income from domain flipping is by purchasing a domain name that is very popular. And ways that you can find out if a domain name is going to be popular is by searching for the popularity of that word or sentence. You can go to answerthepublic.com to figure out if people are asking questions around that word, around that sentence. And then you can go onto a website called settle.com. And actually, we can go on together. So when you get onto Settle, you scroll down a little bit and you can see Settle for domain sellers. It actually allows you sell domains. So you click there and then it shows you how you can start selling domains. You can buy domains, you can make an offer, you can sell your domain. So basically a domain is just this on top of a website. So if you have a good name idea, if you have a popular name idea, you can purchase it and you can resell it. The second soft life way to make money in the digital economy is something called virtual retailing. And if you're like, Vanessa, what on earth is that? Well, basically, you and I know that a lot of e-commerce people are getting to the big bags, right? However, sometimes e-commerce can be very challenging. You have to think of where to get inventory. You have to think of shipping to customers. You have to think of setting up a Shopify store or a website. However, by leveraging AI, you can have AI do everything for you from end to end. What I mean by everything. So first, you can have AI build a Shopify storefront for you through a tool called buildyourstore.ai. I'm going to link it down in the comment section and in the description box. Now, if you use buildyourstore.ai, it can literally help you figure out what niche to be in. If you're like, I don't even know where to begin, I don't know what to sell, I just want to have an online store. Like if you're just starting out with e-commerce and you're not really passionate about anything just yet, you don't really have a target market, but you want to sell something online, then building an e-commerce store using AI would be the best way to go. Because what you're going to do is sign up right here. And then it will take you to this page where it lets you choose. Do you want to build a fashion store, a pet store? If you don't know, just click I don't know. And then it will generate this for you. Now, the great thing about this is that it connects directly with Shopify. So it's a Shopify partner. But then there's another part to it because it's one thing for you to have a storefront up and running. It's another thing entirely for you to have a back end solution to actually source for the products and deliver the products to your customers. And for this part of things, we're going to use the drop shipping business model. Now, drop shipping is a business model that has gotten a bad rep because some people don't actually take the time to see if the products that they're getting from their drop shipping suppliers are high quality or if they'll actually get out to the customers. And that is why it's important to get a trustworthy drop shipping platform that has a lot of reviews on Shopify, that has a lot of products on hand, that knows how to source, and that thousands of people have already used and vetted. And so I told my team to reach out to one of the largest dropshipping platforms on the market called AutoDS. And I even got to speak to the CEO, Lior Posen, because I wanted to figure out exactly how they're able to fulfill these orders before sharing it with my community. I asked him, look, where do you guys source your products from? They said they have their own warehouses and they also have relationships with manufacturers. And obviously they have a lot of great reviews on Shopify, so they're doing a good job. So I said, what products move the fastest on the market? And they said, it really depends. But one of the great ways to find a product that is probably going to do well is through a tool they have called TikTok Ad Spy. So basically, this tool goes onto TikTok to figure out what ads are currently going viral on TikTok. Now, the thing is, when something is going viral, it means a lot of people are seeing the thing, a lot of people are interested in the thing, a lot of people are buying the thing. So without you even downloading the TikTok app, without you being a social media person, right here on the AutoDS platform, you get to see products that are popular and that people are already interested in. So when you use the Build Your Store tool and pair it with AutoDS, literally the sky is your starting point. And for something like this, you're probably going to think it's a very expensive tool. But one thing that my team and I have tried to do on this channel is to only share things that are affordable for you to get started with. Because I know not everyone has like a big stack sitting around ready to launch this huge business. Like if you just want to start something small and you're working with a limited budget, then I'm going to share tools that, their monthly fees are less than $100 and even way, way less than that. AutoDS allows you try AutoDS for just $1. You heard that right, for just $1 for a month. And if you get your store up and running in that 1 month, you can make your first sale and keep your subscription and just keep running your e-commerce store. And before you know it, you might get really good at e-commerce and now know what you're passionate about selling. And then you can start thinking about branding and maybe turning it into a full-fledged business. But to start out, I think going the virtual retail route, using AI and using AutoDS would be the best way to go. So I'm going to link both tools down in the description box and in the comment section so you can get started after watching this video. Because one thing we're not going to do this year, come close. One thing we're not going to do this year is just consume content and not take action. I'm going to need you to actually do stuff, like take action on what I'm sharing with you. Okay? Okay? Okay. The third soft life way, if you will, to make money online or make money in the digital economy is through affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing just simply means that you sign up to affiliate programs like the Amazon affiliates program or affiliate programs for fashion brands. You sign up to an affiliate program and then you create content that people care about, and then you include the links for the affiliate program onto the content that you create. Now, what's interesting about this one is that I actually have a full video on the channel about this already. So if you want to watch that video to get started with this, just leave a comment letting us know and we would link it somewhere in the description box if a lot of you want to see it and you want to watch that after watching this one. Number four is low content publishing. Now, this is just a fancy way of saying selling journals online. Like when I first heard about low content publishing, I was like, what does this even mean? It just means selling a book that doesn't really have content inside because it's a journal. A company that has done this really well, and you don't have to do a whole company. Like I'm going to tell you how to do it in a soft life way. A company that has done this successfully is called Intelligent Change. And I'm so fascinated by what they've been able to pull off because they've sold millions of copies of these journals, like the 5-Minute Journal and other journals and books. And literally it's just empty pages or semi-empty pages because some of them have prompts. But basically, it's low content because it's not a whole book with like a manuscript and a story or anything like that. It's just prompts, and some books are even just lines. But what's important is the cover of the book. You want to write something appealing that people would want to read about, like the 5-Minute Journal or like the Dream Journal, something that would be attractive to people so they would want to buy the journal, okay? Now, a soft life way to execute this is by using a platform called Blurb. And number five is for my shopping girlies. If you're someone who already shops online, like you can just get cash back, right? You don't have to shop directly from the websites or from e-commerce stores. You can shop through a cashback platform and get cash back when you shop. Like it doesn't get softer than that. There are a couple of platforms for this on the market, but some that my team were able to find are Honey, Rakuten, and Offside. So you can use any one that you think would match what you shop for. And yeah, I don't think there's anything nicer than getting paid to shop. Number six is to create a niche website. You can create a one-page niche website and monetize it through ads. And this is actually one of the most practical ones on this list because I've done it. I have friends who've done it. This one is one of the ones I'm most excited about, to be honest with you. And I've been thinking of making a full video about it, like even walking you step by step, like telling you all the steps you need to take to create a niche website that can be monetized through ads. So just type "teach me" down in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell right next to it so you don't miss that video when I share it. Number 7 is to sell ebooks. Now, selling ebooks is not a new thing, right? It's always been a great way to make money online. But there are two things that make it easy that work if someone is relatively lazier or in the soft life era. And the two things are, one, AI, obviously, because AI can actually help you write the book. Now, of course, you're not just going to copy and paste exactly what ChatGPT gives you. You're going to modify it. You're going to put it in your own voice, in your own tone and everything. But the second reason is because you can actually sell ebooks on marketplaces now. Back in the day, you had to build your own audience. You had to be an influencer. You had to create content so you could have people who would want to buy from you. But today, things have changed. And because of these changes, all you now have to do is create your ebook and put it on a marketplace. And now there are a couple of marketplaces where you can sell ebooks. One is AppSumo, another is Kindle by Amazon, and another is actually a platform called Whoop. Number 8 is stock photography. Now you already know what stock photography is, but platforms where you can monetize are Shutterstock and Adobe Stock, okay? Number 9 is selling digital templates on Gumroad or Etsy. Digital product is a blanket statement to just say something that is not physical. So this can be an Excel template. So if you're an accounting girly and you know how to create budget templates, like I purchase budget templates from Etsy. So if that's something you know how to do, for example, and you want to monetize it, you can monetize it on Etsy. You can also monetize it through Gumroad. You can have an Excel template, you can have a Notion template, You can even use Canva to create a digital product with information around your knowledge, your specific expertise. Number 10 is to create and launch online courses. Number 11 is to monetize a newsletter. And a newsletter just simply means emails, right? You can actually monetize emails. If you have something to say and you have a lot of information around the topic that people care about, you can monetize it by starting a Substack. Number 12 is for my girlies who make music, who make beats. I can't really relate. You know what? I used to rap when I was younger, but like older me, I can't relate. But if you're someone who knows how to make beats and you've been thinking of how to monetize those beats, you can monetize through a platform called BeatStars. Number 13 is to monetize stock video footage through Storyblocks. Number 14 is to monetize NFTs. And this requires a whole video. If you're interested in NFTs or you're artistic and you want to figure out ways that you can monetize that, then let me know. Just type NFT down in the comment section. We can make a whole video about that. And number 15. Now this one is where the big bag is, okay? And it is called app selling or app reselling. There are two ways that this can be monetized. One is through app selling. App selling requires you to build and then sell an app. Now the reason why it's on this list is because of AI. Normally, building an app will be something that you would need strong technical skills for. You need to know how to code, you need to understand a lot of coding language and all of that. But because of AI, there are actually tools that allow you build apps from scratch the same way just 3-4 years ago, it was revolutionary to be able to use drag and drop tools to create websites. Now we can actually use tools for apps too. Yeah. So the 3 tools that you're going to need for this is firstly, a tool called Glide. Secondly, a tool called Zapier. And thirdly, a tool called Base 44. Okay, so those are the 3 tools you're gonna need for this. And where you can sell your app is on a platform called AppSumo. That's where you monetize the app after creating it. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. One thing about me, I'm gonna keep yapping about ways that you can get to the bag until every woman in this community wins. Share this with your tribe, share this with your sisters, share this with your daughters, your friends, and I would see you in the next one. Remember that I'm rooting for you, so please do not stop rooting for yourself. And until next time, please take care